It's a place to express yourself, a place to eat, a place to drink, a place to remember history, a place to meet friends, old and new, a place to find a lover, a place to bring the energy, and a place to slow it down. But they just call it a park. 欢迎你们来到成都人民公园. Not only is this the perfect place to experience Chengdu's laid-back lifestyle, but it's the main reason I moved to this city. In St. Pete, Florida, where I'm from, parks are just a glorified patch of dirt. And while there are some pretty parks in America, they're really just places where you stop by for an hour, get some fresh air, and then carry on with the rest of your day. On the contrary, the People's Park is the kind of park where you can spend the entire day. So I'm gonna spend dawn till dusk capturing the essence of a Chinese park. It is a very unique scene here going on in the main square. Just right in or right nearby this area, there are folks participating in all kinds of activities. There's Tai Chi going on, hacky sack, badminton, also some square dancing. In a country with over 1 billion people, where a lot of people live in small apartments, the park is a place where folks can get some space and fresh air to do every kind of hobby imaginable, even getting your ears cleaned. You hear that ringing? Literally speaking, that's the ear cleaning specialists ringing their ear cleaning devices, letting people know that they're looking for customers. But it's more than that. It's a sound that rings you back into the present moment and reminds you that you're here in Chengdu. So just take things slow and relax. So a staple of the People's Park is the Romance Garden, where grandmas, grandpas, moms, and dads advertise for their kids to get married. I believe the blue papers are advertisements for boys, and the pink ones are for girls. It's completely different from the modern dating that I'm used to. For example, Tinder, you see a person's face, decide to swipe right or swipe left. But here, almost every person's profile comes without a picture. There's just a piece of paper with some personal information, mate selection criteria, and a telephone number. Talk about a blind date. Quick side note, if you're interested in learning more about China and its hidden gems, make sure to subscribe to this channel. It's almost 1 o'clock and I'm standing in front of Zhongshuijiao, the restaurant here at Renmin Gongyuan. I'm getting pretty hungry. Again, coming from a city where parks are a glorified patch of dirt, finding out there was a full-on restaurant here with delicious food blew my mind. But that's just the start. This place is a cultural hub in every definition. During the Japanese invasion in the 1930s, Renmin Gongyuan was the #1 local spot for rallies and mobilization speeches. Actually, the park was hit twice by war bombs, resulting in thousands of casualties. But hey, let's not dwell on the dark past. What really makes the People's Park a cultural center is that it has had every kind of park facility you can imagine, including several restaurants, a museum, library, music hall, gym, bathhouse, an amusement area, photography house, zoo, and tea houses galore. There are 3 remaining tea houses in the People's Park today: Nongyin Tea House, Shaocheng Tea House, and Humming Tea House. Standing for almost 100 years, Humming Tea House is the oldest tea house in Chengdu, and it is the iconic image of People's Park. But more than a tourist attraction, Humming Tea House is a place where smart people come to have meaningful discussions. In the old days, most of the visitors here were teachers, and over the years, many top state leaders and CPC officials have left their footprints here as well. So I think the intelligent academic atmosphere surrounding this place makes it the perfect location to learn firsthand what Renmin Gongyuan means to the locals today.
小时候我们都是7、8个小娃娃嘛，就一起越多一起走路就过来了，边走边耍噻。有时候买个冰糕啊，就出来这儿游泳就带笑鱼笑虾嘛，好玩嘛。
我父亲1947年就在这个地方喝茶，他喝完了，他牺牲了。我再接着喝，他以前在西南财大解放前在那个地方当助教，就是过去的光华大学，上海光华大学、上海大学。抗战的时候内迁，所以在这个地方办了个分厂，还办了一个分校。这个分校我父亲就在那个地方读书，离这个地方不远，所以他们礼拜天都在这儿来喝茶，挺好。
这个地方的人呢， 它就跟自然有一种天然的那种属性能够相融。都是人们觉得太阳是给人带来力量的东西，但是在四川，在成都，它是一个奢侈品，连续13年，它是被评为中国最幸福的城市排名第一。源于人们呢，就是他的欲望的东西，就不太愿意在名利其他的东西里面去被外界物化的东西所裹挟它。那么现在回归到自然的力量，它就讲究一颗心安，道法自然嘛，心安就行了。
So it's time for a little nightcap. I'm here at the Hongming Tea House and I have ordered a lemon tea. Now the reason the People's Park is a full day experience is because of right here. During the day, this place is packed with tourists and locals. But by now the crowds have significantly thinned out. It's quite peaceful. And the way it glimmers on the water, it's really pretty. Renmin Gongyuan is a park for the people in every way, no matter what your background is. Rich, poor, old, young. At the People's Park, you can feel free to take a load off and express yourself in any way you like. Alright everyone, so it's been a full day and a truly awesome day. But now it's time to get some sleep so we can wake up tomorrow and do it all again. I'll see y'all for the next great China adventure.